In the world of Social Security benefits, staying informed is key, and October 2025 is a month you'll want to pay close attention to. Heads up, October could bring an extra Social Security payment for some. Specifically, this applies to eligible Supplemental Security Income, or SSI, recipients. In this video, we'll break down exactly what's happening, who is affected, and what you need to do. First, let's clarify the difference between Social Security and SSI, as it's crucial for understanding this update. Social Security benefits are primarily based on your work history. You and your employers pay Social Security taxes, which earn you credits. These credits determine your eligibility for retirement, disability, or survivor benefits. The more you've earned over your career, the higher your benefit amount will generally be. Now let's talk about Supplemental Security Income, or SSI. SSI is a different kind of program. It's not based on your prior work. It's a needs-based program funded by general tax revenues, not Social Security taxes. SSI provides monthly payments to adults and children with a disability or blindness who have very limited income and resources. It also provides payments to people age 65 and older without disabilities who meet the financial limits. The key takeaway is that SSI is for those with minimal financial means. Some people receive both Social Security and SSI. They are known as concurrent recipients. This October 2025 payment anomaly specifically affects the SSI payment schedule. So, why is October 2025 special? It all comes down to a simple rule in the calendar. The Social Security Administration, or SSA, typically pays SSI benefits on the first day of each month. However, there's an exception. If the first of the month falls on a weekend or a federal holiday, the payment is issued on the preceding business day. This is designed to ensure recipients get their money on time and aren't left waiting. Let's look at the calendar for October 2025. The 1st of October is a Wednesday. So the regular October SSI payment will be sent out as scheduled on October 1st. No surprises there. The quirk happens when we look ahead to the next month. November 1st, 2025, falls on a Saturday. Because of the rule we just mentioned, the SSA will not wait until Monday, November 3rd to send the payment. Instead, the November SSI payment will be issued on the last business day of the prior month. That day is Friday, October 31st. This means that eligible SSI recipients will receive two payments during the calendar month of October 2025. One at the very beginning of the month, and one at the very end. It's crucial to understand this is not extra money or a bonus. It is simply your November payment arriving a day early, which happens to be in October. This also means there will be no SSI payment in the month of November 2025. Budgeting for this shift will be extremely important. Now, you might hear the term COLA mentioned around this time. Let's quickly refresh what that is. COLA stands for Cost of Living Adjustment. It's an annual increase in Social Security and SSI benefits to help payments keep pace with inflation. The SSA calculates the COLA based on the Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers, or CPIW. The announcement for the next year's COLA is typically made in October. So the COLA for 2025 will be announced in October of 2024. That adjustment then takes effect with payments starting in January 2025. This means that by the time October 2025 arrives, your monthly benefit amount will have already been updated with the 2025 COLA for 10 months. The term delayed COLA adjustment can sometimes cause confusion. In rare cases, if there's a miscalculation or a change in eligibility, a retroactive payment might be made. However, for the vast majority of people, the October 2025 double payment is purely a calendar event, not a separate COLA-related bonus. Let's be very clear about who is affected by this payment schedule change. This applies to you if you receive Supplemental Security Income, or SSI. This includes those who only get SSI and those who are concurrent and get both SSI and a small Social Security benefit. Now, who is not affected? If you receive only Social Security retirement, survivor, or disability benefits and not SSI, your payment schedule is different. Your payments are sent out on the 2nd, 3rd, or 4th Wednesday of the month, depending on your birthday. This October 2025 calendar quirk does not change that schedule. You will receive your single, regular payment as usual. So, how much money are we talking about? The payment amount is based on the SSI Federal Benefit Rate, or FBR. For context, the maximum federal rate in 2024 was $943 for an individual and $1,415 for a couple. With the 2025 COLA, this amount will increase. Let's use a projected figure for our example. Some estimates suggest the 2025 individual rate could be around $967. This is just an illustration. So, an eligible individual receiving the maximum benefit could receive a payment of around $967 on October 1st, and a second payment for the same amount on October 31st. Remember, your actual amount may be different. The SSA reduces your SSI benefit if you have other income, such as wages, pensions, or even Social Security benefits. Your living situation can also affect your payment amount. The key is that you will receive 2 of your regular monthly payments in October. It's always a good idea to verify your own payment schedule and amounts. Don't just rely on general information. The best way to do this is by using your personal My Social Security account online. You can create a free and secure account at ssa.gov. Inside your account, you can view your benefit verification letter, which details your payment amounts and upcoming schedule. This is the most accurate source of information for your specific situation. Another great action step is to check your bank alerts. Most banks allow you to set up notifications for deposits. This way, you'll know the moment your payment arrives. What if the numbers don't match your expectations? First, double-check your My Social Security account. Then, review your recent bank statements. If you still have questions or see a discrepancy, you can call the SSA directly. Their national toll-free number is 1-800-772-1213. Be prepared for potentially long wait times. Unfortunately, times of payment changes can also attract scammers. It's vital to be vigilant. Here are some major red flags. The SSA will almost never call you unexpectedly to ask for personal information. They will not threaten you, demand immediate payment, or ask for gift card numbers, wire transfers, or cryptocurrency. If you receive a suspicious call, just hang up. It's that simple. Never give out your Social Security number, bank account details, or other private information to an unsolicited caller. When dealing with the SSA online, always ensure you are on the official government website, which ends in .gov. Scammers often create look-alike websites that end in .com or .org. If you encounter a scam, report it to the SSA's Office of the Inspector General. Let's quickly recap with some frequently asked questions. Question: so who gets a double check in October 2025? Answer: only people who receive SSI benefits. This is because their November 1st payment is moved up to October 31st. Question: is this extra money? Answer: no. It is your November 2025 payment arriving early. You will not receive an SSI payment in November 2025. Question: what if my payment is late? Answer: wait 3 business days before contacting the SSA. Delays can sometimes happen with bank processing. Question: does this affect my regular Social Security retirement check? Answer: no. If you only receive Social Security retirement, disability, or survivor benefits, your payment schedule remains unchanged. To summarize, October 2025 is a unique month for SSI recipients. You will receive your regular October payment on the 1st and your November payment on the 31st. This means you must budget carefully to make those 2 payments last all the way until your next check arrives in early December. Your most important action step is to check your My Social Security account for your official payment schedule and amounts. Stay informed about your benefits, stay vigilant against scams, and plan your budget accordingly. We hope this detailed breakdown helps you prepare for October 2025. Have a great day. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking this video, sharing it with others who might benefit, and subscribing for more important updates.